Understanding the phrase, at sea. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a commonly used English phrase, at sea. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in various contexts. At sea can literally refer to being out in the ocean, aboard a ship or boat. For example, the fishermen were at sea for 3 days before they returned with their catch. During her vacation, she spent a day at sea, sailing and enjoying the sun. However, more often than not, at sea is used in a metaphorical sense. When someone says they are at sea, it means they are confused, unsure, or lost about something. It's like being in the vastness of the ocean without a clear direction. Here are some examples. After the sudden announcement of the company's merger, many employees felt at sea about their future roles. When it comes to advanced math, I'm completely at sea. Understanding the origin of a phrase can often make it easier to remember. The phrase, at sea, in its figurative sense comes from the idea of being out in the open ocean, without landmarks, making it easy to get lost or disoriented. So, when someone says they are at sea, they are expressing a feeling of being in unfamiliar territory without clear guidance. Practice makes perfect. Let's look at a few more examples to see how you can use this phrase in everyday conversations. I'm at sea with all this new technology. Can you help me out? Ever since moving to a new city, he's felt a bit at sea. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in various scenarios where you want to express uncertainty or confusion. And there we have it. The phrase, at sea, doesn't just refer to the ocean but can also be a way to express feelings of confusion or being lost. We hope this video has shed light on this nautical term, and you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Until next time, happy learning!